Contention, and I want Sudhanshu Mittal to respond to that, is that 1 month is too little. No one is asking what the Vasundhara government or the Shivraj government has done in 1 month. Therefore, give them more time. Don't write them off so soon. Sudhanshu Mittal.
Actually, that's not what I said. I have said that actually a lot has been achieved in the 1 month.
Okay, let Sudhanshu respond. Is it too early to write their political obituary?
Rahul, first thing.
Go on.
Rahul, the first thing is, since they said they were different, I don't think they should really be comparing with the people who should have been written off, you know. We were the pits, the BJP, we are all part of the conventional politics. And they are a part of the new politics, so we shouldn't be even compared with them, according to them. So I won't get into that debate, what Vasundhara has done, what Shivraj has done, or what Mr. Raman Singh has done. The list could be endless, but I'm not getting into that. Now, this 1 month of governance reminds me of the French king, King Louis XIV. He said, I am the state. I guess that's what I would call the hallmark of governance of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Yes, he is the state. And I again repeat, yes, he is the state, because when 174 people die of cold in this country, in the city, he is not responsible. His ministers are not responsible, his government is not responsible, the officers are not responsible, because none has been punished. Yes, he is the state. Yes, he is the state. Why? Because when 12 children in Asha Niketan, which is the home for the poor, destitute children, when they die, no one is accountable, nobody is responsible. Yes, he is the state. Yes, he is the state, because when his minister says, I will not spit on this man, and I will not spit on this man, he is the state. And he is the state when his minister fires an FIR, the minister responsible for the welfare of children, she fires an FIR against a boy who, while playing cricket, threw a ball which hit the car of the minister. And yes,
you've launched a scathing attack, and clearly the claps. I've done such shows in the past as well, Atishi. At that time, every single time there were claps. There were claps for the Aam Aadmi Party. Within 30 days, people in Delhi are clapping against the Aam Aadmi Party. Does that worry you?
Actually, I don't think it's just a question of worry. I think the fact is that we have achieved something. Yes, of course, there is a long way to go. Yes, of course, I accept that. But
mood seems to be turning against you. These very people, when we did shows building up to the formation of the government, were all clapping for every single thing any Aam Aadmi Party leader said.
Actually, Rahul, I think the fact of the matter is that expectations from us are very high. People are expecting that in 1 month things would turn around. But no, I don't think things can turn around in 1 month. Let us remember, it's been 30 days.
So you're asking for more time? I want Shobha Oza to come in at this time.
And I would agree with...
There are people in the audience also who want to ask questions.
Yeah.
But Shobha must respond to the principal contention tonight, where the Aam Aadmi Party says 1 month is too little, we need more time. Don't judge us in such a hurry, Shobha Oza.
See, the very inception of Aam Aadmi Party, it declared itself a weapon to clean politics. It set high morals of governance. They claimed rocket promises to the people of Delhi. They said they're going to give a governance which the people of Delhi had not seen. So with all these promises, definitely the people are going to judge Itishri. For 30 days, fine, I understand. 30 days is not too long a period. But the type of expectation you raised among the people, the promises, rocket promises you made. So now the citizens of Delhi are justified in asking replies. And the behavior of the ministers. We have a law minister who has nothing to do with law.
He's Batman.
Who has nothing to do with law. He keeps violating law and claims. He is anti-law. We have a law minister who is anti-law, who does not know what is law, who doesn't stand up to law and takes law into his own hands and has the courage. And then we have a CM who tries to justify the law minister, puts up an agitation again, putting life of so many people of Delhi into...
Okay, we'll take it one by one.
Yeah.
All of you have made your opening comments. I want to take one opening question from a member of our audience. Go ahead, please ask your question.